Hey guys, managed to get the GoPro up and running today, so I'll get you to follow me along and we'll do a normal setup. Alrighty, so today we have a pretty straightforward block fill pour, perfect day for it. I'll pretty much just give you a quick show of what I'm doing, which is just this wall here. I'll get some footage while I start pumping. It's always good to have a few trays on board just for working in an area like we are today. It's all nice finished pebble driveway, so we don't want any concrete on it. I think this job is probably one of the shortest lengths of line I've ever needed. Probably need 5 or so meters. Not complaining at all. Most likely, and we just need to wet it down again because it's quite a warm day, so no doubt all the water will be evaporated soon. Put some water in the line. You can use water for a block fill mix, which we're doing today. Otherwise, I normally just use bentonite. Just keep the volume low, only having a short amount of line. And pretty much before I do start pumping, I just take a step back, have a look at everything. The truck's all good, it's a nice flat surface, it's not going to move or slide once the load actually gets put into the pump. Make sure everything's all secure, we've got water. We're not needing the water blaster or the hydraulic air compressor today. The stabilizer's down, water underneath to protect the driveway. And pretty much what I can do is just grease the input shaft and the hydraulic ram. But yeah, all the lines out, it's primed, ready to go. This setup was pretty straightforward, so it only like took 10-15 minutes to set up, just waiting for concrete. I'll start recording once that arrives. Alrighty, got the truck arrived and we'll just get them onto the concrete pump and away we go. How are you? Going well?
I was hoping to see a pump here. You never know.
You never know. Could be the old barrows and buckets. It's going to be a pretty quick one. I'll let you know when to load the hopper down.
Yep.
Awesome, all good. Alright, I'll lower that down a bit. I'll just fling the chute over. Yep. And then I'll let you know when to wash in.
Yep.
All good? Perfect. He's just going to wash in and I'll just do the rest down here or in there.
Yeah, I'm thinking here, I'll break it up this side so I think it's going to get rid of.
Okay, or I might just get that sorted or just give the line a shake.
Yeah.
Get you enough in there? Yeah, perfect. That's heaps. Yep. Time to flush the water through.
You don't need me, do you?
No, you can head off, eh?
Do you want to take a photo of I've got my email address on the van.
Oh yes, I'll
Probably
do
the easiest way to do it.
Yeah, no, I'll do that, eh? And yeah, I'll just pretty much clean up and I'll get out of here.
Yeah.
Keep it on.
Thanks, Corey.
Awesome, Dan, thank you. Alrighty, start disconnecting all the lines, or just the line, bring up, run that out. Trying to make sure that pressure drops as well before you can work in here. Pretty much know it's halfway because I judge it about an inch off the bar here. I'll bring it over, scrape it all out. Pretty much clears the S-tube out. It's always best just to make sure you're thorough with your cleaning so you don't have any issues. On the next job or later down the track with all your equipment, you get it all nice and clean, all in the crevices. Get in the rear seal here, clean the S-tube. So I'll essentialise the S-tube and see if there's no concrete that's been baked up. The S tube looks pretty clean. It's hard to tell if you can see in there, but yeah, the S tube's all pretty clean. Oh, pretty spotless. All right, clean all the gear. Oh, it could be just dirt as well on the ground rather than actual concrete. But it's always nice to keep the customers happy and the clients happy. All right, so pretty much it's just doing the last little bit of cleanup, checking, make sure there's nothing left in sight. It's all looking pretty good. Another job done. All right, guys, I just got to put this hose reel on, and I'll catch you on the next one. Cheers.